Hi, this is Muthukumar. Welcome to AWS Computing. Today we will see how to create an API gateway using AWS console, and we can see how easy it is to expose it as a REST service to access from the outside world. So log into your AWS account and search for API Gateway. So this is the launch screen of the API Gateway. So here you can see there is a REST API. Click on Build. We will create the API in a new REST API. Give the API name as my first REST API and leave this endpoint type as regional and create the API. Here this will lead you into a resources screen where you can see an action drop down menu here, and in the side you can see resources, stages, authorize, and some of the menus like this. So in this actions, create a resource. This will be our first resource what we will create, and this we will call it as let us say message or hello resource, hello API maybe. So by default in the resource path you can see that Amazon suggests or AWS suggests us with this hello API as the resource path. And we can enable this cross origin filter by just clicking this checkbox, or you can keep it unchecked. The advantage of this is it will add the cross origin filter by default so that you can access it from the outside. So we will create the resource here. And now you can see here in the resources panel that hello API resource is being created, and then inside the resource create a method. We will create a get method, HTTP method, and you can see the right hand side panel the configurations for the get method comes up. Currently we haven't created any lambda functions, so we will create a mock. So in this method execution panel you can see 4 blocks like method request, integration response, and method response. So this is the flow which goes like this. So from the method request it goes to the integration request, which is actually we have mocked it, so the type is mentioned here as mock, which goes to the mock endpoint and returns back. And here actually what we can do is to mock the response. We can click on this integration response, and in this response status 200 what we can do is it is a pass through, and then in message mapping we will click on this application JSON and we will simply provide a sample JSON as the response. Let us say message hello world, and then we'll save it, and then we will save this. Once this template is created, we'll go to the method execution, and then we can test this resource from here, and we don't pass any query string or headers, and just click on test, and you can see the output. This is what is expected from that API gateway, what we have mocked in the application JSON template, which comes out as the result. So now we will deploy this API. For that we have to create a stage. Let us create a test stage and deploy. Now you can see here it comes to the stages, and the test stage is created. Like this we can create development, production, like that, many stages. And see, our get method is already present here, and you can see the URL which is exposed. Let us open this URL, and you can see the message what we got. So currently what we have seen is how to create an API gateway REST services and expose a get method to the outside world using AWS console. Thank you.